So the recipe I'm using for this comes from a lady on YouTube named Holelise. And I've used it before and I like it, but we're going to do it one more again. So making lotion comes in two phases. It is a water phase and an oil phase. And I feel like making lotion and skincare products is just like baking. It's very finicky and very particular. So you have to be particular. So, um, I am going to be making about 600 grams, which should be a little bit more than a pound of lotion. So, of course, again, in order to moisturize, you need water. So, I need 456 grams of water. Again, buy out a kitchen scale and it will help out a whole lot. No, it says 426. Might be a little put. Yep, 426. I need to move this down. And again, these videos are unedited, so bear with me, y'all. But we got 426. I think I'm gonna put it right here. I might edit it just so y'all don't hear all that. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so now I am going to pour this back in the tea kettle because we need it to come up to temperature. And I do have a thermometer to make sure it's all the same temperature. So now we are going to work on our oils and butters. So for her recipe, she has shea butter and almond oil. I'm going to use shea butter and what's it called? Shea butter and our sunflower oil that we made. So we're gonna make the ones we steep, and if we can get some more and use more, we will. So we need about 60 grams of shea butter. Use this little spoon. Oh, it's soft. Oh, so I'm gonna have to make some more of this, or not make more, but find another way to use this pretty soon. Because that came up faster than I thought. Boom, we got 60. I don't think I'm gonna need this. So here's a shea butter and calendula, and I'm just gonna put it on my body. And I'll tell y'all how it is. It's on its own. So it still has the crystals. And it's a little gritty. Ooh, I put too much on this arm. So I'm very shady. It's okay. I didn't grease up this morning. And I could use it. Ooh. There's a shea butter. has me glistening. But I'm gonna wash my hands.